Media Coordinator ka Bubeta Sharma habakren shikila patai khubor Congress Bhavan Shillong negasngi kalaong baga Congress sapo ke jela hakane kenti kan Ïakhun ye ke election lingba ki kertong ki bakentup ye ki Samla ba kitu ki bala Kham Slem hakam Saiñ Pyrthei kalaong ba ki don bungut ki riau thamai ringkat ki jingmut ba thamai ki buit bat ki jing sngo ka seng ka don ru ya ka kanhun thamai ke bakloi ban IT met bat mensiem ye ki pat ba kalaong ba ka seng kan seishu ya ki nongilam kan thei hakane ka kenti
national coordinators for AICC.
And Congress Party has always nurtured young leadership in all parts of the country, in our very, very varied country. And in Meghalaya too, you have seen that Congress has always given importance to new faces, new legacy, new leadership, and encouraged the youth to come out. In this time, in the Meghalaya elections, you will see very prospective new faces, young faces who are educated, socially committed in our candidature for the state elections. You may also see a lot of women candidates, right, in the elections.